This is an idea. There's no script, no recording, and absolutely no folder of assets. But in just one conversation, it will be a finished video in Claude with the Clueso MCP. Clueso is an AI-powered video creation tool which can take any form of content and create a video in minutes. You can upload a rough screen recording, a PPT, a PDF, or just a simple prompt, and Clueso turns it into a video project. The Clueso MCP allows you to create videos with Claude, ChatGPT, Gemini, or any other AI agent. Using your existing systems on these platforms, you can set up multi-tool workflows, create content at scale, and edit every project end-to-end manually or with AI. Today, we're starting from absolute zero. No script, no material, just an idea. And we'll have Claude research it and build the entire video in one conversation. And since Fable 5 is all anyone can talk about, we'll run the same idea through Opus 4.8 and Fable 5 to see what all the hype's about. Well, shortly after we recorded this video, Fable 5 vanished. Fortunately, the MCP supports the entire Claude family, not just one particularly dramatic member, so we can still make videos with Claude all the same. Let's begin by adding Clueso to our AI agent. Connecting the Clueso MCP takes less than a minute. Since we're working with Claude today, let's click on Customize and head to Connectors and add a custom connector. We'll name it Clueso and paste the Clueso MCP server URL right here. Now just click Add, sign into Clueso, and give tool permissions. Done. If you're working with Gemini, ChatGPT, Cursor, or VS Code instead of Claude, we've got a detailed setup video covering how to connect the Clueso MCP to all of the AI agents linked right here. The setup links for each are in the description below as well. Alright, we'll run the same prompt on both Opus 4.8 and Fable 5, starting with Fable. Let's keep the prompt loose on purpose and see what the models decide when nobody's holding their hand. Make a 60-second video on why the human brain forgets 90% of what it learns within a week, and how spaced repetition beats it. Research the actual forgetting curve data, then it's your call on structure, tone, and pacing. Lean heavily on animated visuals, graphs, timelines, and comparisons that make the data feel real. Build the full project on Clueso MCP with a clean voice, emotion tags, and subtle music. We'll add our custom Claude skill and see what it does with it too. Now, a skill is basically a set of instructions we give Claude to follow. This makes it repeat a specific process or style every time we run it. We've built a skill ready for you to just plug and use, which gives Claude instructions like color palette, font, and overall visual style, so the output is always consistent. You can grab the skill from the description below. Let's hit enter. Claude researches the topic and decides which reasons make the cut. Then it calls the Clueso MCP to structure the whole thing into clips, write the script, generate the voiceover, add appropriate visuals, music, and gives us the final Clueso guide link. Perfect! We ran the exact same prompt with Opus 4.8, so let's check out both the videos.
You just learned something. By this time tomorrow, most of it will already be gone. In the 1880s, Hermann Ebbinghaus measured exactly how fast we forget. He called it the forgetting curve.
Well, that was pretty good. Let's check out Fable now.
You just learned something. Within a week, your brain deletes most of it. In 1885, Hermann Ebbinghaus measured his own memory and plotted exactly how fast it fades. 20 minutes in, 42% is gone.
Okay, wow, right, so both of them are pretty impressive, but you gotta admit, Fable 5's upper hand is evident in its granular research, reasoning, scripting, the smoothness of the visuals it picked. We can also go to these project links and edit the scripts, visuals, voice, or anything else, just like any other Clueso video. Right, that's the whole idea behind the MCP. We went from a single idea to 2 finished videos without ever leaving this chat. That's research, script, voiceover, visuals, all taken care of inside Claude itself. You can find the link to Clueso in the description below and give this a shot yourself. If you found the video helpful, make sure to like, share, and subscribe for more such content. Drop a comment to let us know what you'd like us to cover next, and we'll catch you in the next one.